yogurt, chopped cucumber, 2 tablespoons of coconut. I've used desiccated coconut, 1 green chili, a small piece of ginger chopped, coriander leaves, kothmir. This is the seasoning, or what we call as vagarne, or tadka, and salt. To begin, I'm going to wash this poha, aulaki, a couple of times. The water from the poha is drained. To this, I'm adding 1 green chili and about a pinch of chopped ginger, 1.5 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. You can use fresh coconut. Cucumber, I have kept the skin intact. Some chopped coriander leaves. Seasoning, vagarne, vagar as we call it, some salt, and finally the yogurt. And then give this all a good mix. And your Mosuru Aulaki for Janmashtami is ready.
Janmashtami greetings.
From Team Salt for Cooking.
Cook your fame.
In just 2 minutes,